Maglalakad kami ngayon sa beach. It's so hot. And with my best friend. Yeah, not you. I mean, my champagne. Sige, tumingin naman siya. Yeah, maaga lang ito nagko-close eh. What time this closed last night? Yeah, this one is 6. Dun sa taas is 11 p.m. Yeah. Ah, yeah, there's a beach. It's nice. Not too wavy. And we can do jet ski. But it's too hot.
Yeah.
Para kang nasa Love Island. Nagwo-work yan eh. Nasa bakasyon nagwo-work. Babalikan namin si Breda, nagsuswimming. Nagwo-work. Yeah, suffering bastard.
Magsa-suffer talaga.
Ayaw ni Paul neto, zombie. Masarap tong anong to, parang chicken nuggets bite. Umorder pa si Papa P. Sobrang init. My skin is so fresh. Pero weird. Ganda talaga ng collagen natin at yung glass skin set natin. Kahit lagi ako pinagpapawisan, feeling ko open yung pores ko dahil sa sobrang init. Natatighten and maganda yung Australian mask. Kaya umorder kayo. And all our product is very, very effective. Kaya check out na.